flight time is expected to be 1 hour and 35 minutes. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is stowed safely and has not the hour on emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage.
Everyone stay clear of the warnings. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency, on the mask or you to start to blow. Place that right yellow mask over your nose and nose, securing it behind the left strap. Pull on the two loose ends at the front to tighten. The seat start